Have you lost your way? Distraction is another enemy of success. In the beginning of your health and weight loss journey, did you have a clear goal in mind and you knew exactly what you were trying to accomplish? But now it's not so clear anymore and you kind of feel like you don't know what you're doing? More than likely, you've been distracted by something along the way. Maybe you've been distracted by all the health information that's available online or all of the people in your life that are trying to be helpful and give you advice. This muddies the water and can make it hard for you to stay focused. Because you want to get to your goal, you might think that this additional information is useful and should be implemented somewhere. However, it often just distracts you from your original plan and what you're trying to accomplish. So you may feel like you're just spinning your wheels and you're not really making any progress or gaining any traction. When this happens, sometimes you need to just take a step back, reevaluate your plan and your goal. Take a look at what you've implemented so far and the impact it has had on getting you to your goals. Is it getting you closer to your goals or is it taking you further away? Is it helping to simplify your plan or is it just making your plan more complex? Remember, simplicity equals success. So if this additional information is distracting you and making your plan more complex, then it's not serving you. If you find that this additional information is distracting you, then you should try taking a break from doing more research in regards to your health and weight loss and just implement the plan that you have in place. And don't feel obligated to implement all of the health advice that you get from your friends and family. If you have a solid plan in place that's addressing the 5 core pillars of health, including eating whole foods, prioritizing sleep, implementing healthy physical activity regularly, getting healthy sun exposure and outdoor time, and stress management, I suggest that you stick with that plan for 6 weeks to 3 months and monitor your progress before you try to add anything else. If you're not seeing any improvement in that time frame, then you could start to tweak your plan. In the meantime, don't let distractions take you off course because you'll never get to your destination. Thanks.